Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to create a video showing you guys how I do my makeup for the gym. Whether you wear a lot of makeup or a little bit of makeup, I thought I'd just share my version of gym makeup. Seems to be working for me. I don't get many breakouts or anything from it, so if you want to learn how, keep on watching. So I've already moisturized and now I'm going to go in with Perfekt Skin Perfection Gel in the shade Tan. I really like this stuff because it minimizes your pores. Just a whole bunch of stuff. It just really smooths out your skin. The thing I like about this stuff is it is cruelty-free and vegan. So, you know, it's not going to be bad for your skin because you're going to be sweating. You don't want anything bad to enter your pores. Next, we're going to go in with concealer because you can't have these bags at the gym. And I'm going in with Tarte Shape Tape in medium. Cover up any discoloration. My nose has a little bit, so. And then we're just going to blend that away. And I really blend this stuff out. Like, don't let it sit all caked up in that one section because you don't want to have that random concealer line. That's really weird. I just make sure to really blend it out. That seems good. Now I'm going to do some highlight and I'm going to use Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Moonstone. This is the cream one. Just going to put a little bit. And I use cream just because I don't want to use too much powders on my face to go to the gym. Otherwise you look super makeup-y. I always put a little bit on my eyelids to give it that glossy-ish effect. So now we're just going to set the under eyes and I'm going to use Mercier's translucent setting powder. And I'm going to lightly set the rest of the face with the same product. Really lightly. If you want to do your eyebrows, you could. I feel like that doesn't affect you much in the gym. I normally just brush out any product that's in it and call it a day. But if you are really uncomfortable going out without any eyebrows, just do a little light fill-in. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in shade Dark Brown. Lastly, we're going to do some eyelashes and I'm going to use, again, Perfekt Lash Perfection Gel. And again, I'm using this because it's vegan, cruelty-free, so I know when I sweat, no harsh chemicals are going to be going into my eyes. My god, look how good this stuff makes your lashes. Lastly, I just put some vitamin E on my lips just to keep them moisturized. You can put a little bit more highlight into the inner corners if you want. I always like doing that. And this is the final look. I'm actually about to head out to the gym, so I just thought I'd film this really quick tutorial for you guys. For those people who don't exactly know what makeup to wear to the gym, or if you want to wear makeup at all, just thought I'd do a little something. Sometimes I wear more than this, I'm not gonna lie. But ideally, this is what I would wear every single day to the gym. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. if you want to see more videos. God, my voice keeps cracking. And I'll see you guys in my next video.